Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link bases in Airtable in 2024. So Airbases, of course, or Airtable bases are very powerful on their own. But by linking them together, you can create an infinite workflow across multiple databases or datasets. So I'll walk you through the process or step-by-step guide on how you can, of course, link them together. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this whenever you want. Once you open that browser, go to this URL section, just type airtable.com and hit the enter button. And if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this homepage or main page. Here, you can click on sign in at the top right corner to sign in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up for free. Of course, you can use a Google account or Apple ID if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Other than that, you can use this continue with single sign-on. What does that mean? Basically, it means that you can log in into an account, example, or create an account, but just for once, for a single use, for a single day use or single use. So you'll be able to create your database, link your bases, example, and do everything. But once you close the tab, you don't have access to it anymore. So it's a single use. Of course, if you want to be saved in etc., make sure to create an account to save all your projects. So first of all, once you are here, you'd like to create a workspace where you can create your bases. So as an example, you can click on this left panel, go here, all workspaces, click on plus, and as you can see, a workspace will be created. So for me, I'll just go and name it tested or tests, why not, and hit the enter button. As you can see, now I have a workspace called tests. So in this workspace example, I can create multiple bases. As you can see, bases and interfaces in this workspace will appear here. Of course, you can create different like bases or different type of bases. There's like you can start from scratch. You can choose you can choose or start from template. You can build one with AI, or you can import something as an example from one of the things that they have in here. So as you can see, a lot of things. If you didn't find what you want, you can request a source as an example to import information from. If that's not what you're looking for as an example in here, you can simply just choose other, give the name of it, and any other information, then click on submit. So once you do so, it will be added in sooner or later. I don't know how much time it will take, so I'm not going to say something I'm not sure. Of course, yeah, so here's an example. This workspace is empty, so you can go and start creating some bases on it. I'll just go and create two from scratch as an example. So I created here the first one, and I'll just go here and create, not AI. Of course, you can go and create with AI as an example. You can just tell them whatever you want to create. So, example, if you type here create with, or create as an example, a data and base as an example, you can simply click on next and they'll basically create something for you. You'll find the preview in here. This AI is still like beta, so you might find some errors or something like that, but you can just go, yeah, as you can see like that. So you can just go and quit as an example. And if you try again, it definitely you will not have this problem again. So as an example, just type create like database. As an example, I don't think you'll have this problem again. So as you can see, once you do so, it will create everything from you. You will find here like the preview of it and how it does look like. You can simply edit the preview in here. You can add things as an example. You can delete things. You can add your own things as an example. As you can see in here, you can add things or not. And once you're satisfied with it, just go and click on create this app. So for me, I'll not do it. So I'll just, as we said, go and create another one from scratch. And here we are. Now we have two bases. So how can we link those two bases together? So if we go to any of those bases, example, let me just first of all like change the name of it. I don't want it to be, so I'll just name one test one as example, why not? And yeah, so I want to link now this test one with this entitled base. So I'll just go and click on three dots on any base. And as you can see, once we go and click on share base, you'll find here invites, email invite, create a link, or share publicity. So as you can see, you can enable the share based link, which is read only. And as you can see, you can allow viewers to copy data out of this base, show extensions added to this base, or restricts by password and email domain if you want to get this. But as you can see, you'll be required a plan for this option. And as you can see, it gets users group on a business plan if you want to. So you can invite to test like workspace as an example as well. And yeah, you can also manage the access of everything. And basically what we'll do, let me just wait for this until it's finished. As you can see, you'll find yourself here. It's fine. So as we said, if we go here and click on share base, you can simply just go and create link as example and or get the link of course and put it on another base. Or you can just go and access base as example. You'll find here share and sync. So if you go and click on share and sync, as you can see, you can create a link to view or sync data to another base. This is what we want to sync bases or yeah, to link bases or sync bases together. So if you go and click on that, as you can see, you can allow data in this view to be synced in another bases. And of course, you can also allow edits from other bases, but you will need a business plan for that. And as you can see, it's a little bit like expensive if you don't want to get it. So as we said, we can go and click on link or sync data to another base, as we said. And as you can see, you can sync this view sync activity, or copy shared view link. So, as an example, you can sync this view. You can choose the workspace that you want to sync it to. As an example, maybe as an example in test, and the base will be with test one because this is entitled test, or this is entitled like base. Then go and click on create a table as an example, and the table that will be created here as an example and say in like test one, that means now already like your bases already like linked together. Of course you can go and create whatever you want. You can also, if you want, to link records together. If you want to, as example, from table 1 to table 2, create some fields, link something as example. So it's up to you to do whatever you want with that link. Of course you can click here on plus and link some named record, or depending on whatever you have in here. So as you can see, now we linked like bases together. I show you even a small on how to a small like thing about how to connect also your records together as well if you want to have it. And yeah, that normally should be it for me. I'll just go and delete this workspace because it was just for like testing. So basically that's how you link like bases together, and also how to link records if you want to together as an example. And if you have any issues, you can leave it down below in the comment section. I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.